how to lock or unlock file and folder in Windows 10. If you want to secure your files and folders in Windows 10, you're in the right place. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to lock and unlock your files and folders so you can protect sensitive data from unauthorized access. So let's get started. First things first, locate the file that you want to hide. Click on the file or folder you want to hide, select Properties. Now under the Security tab, go to Administration and click on Edit. Again, go to the Administration tab and simply click on Deny and click on Apply and OK. Click on OK again. Now try opening. As you can see here, what cannot open the document as other person has no access to it. Now simply to unlock the files and folder that you've logged, what you need to do is simply right click on the file and folder which you've logged, go to Properties and on Security, click on Edit, go to Administration tab. Now at Administration tab, click on Edit and go to Remove, and whatever the changes you've made earlier, simply unmade it and open the file and folder again, and as you can see, you've unlocked your file and folder. And that's it. That's how you simply lock and unlock your files and folders in a PC.